So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Morpho, ticker symbol MORPHO on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, go to the top search bar, and type in MORPHO. Once it's here, go ahead and select it. On this page, go to the bottom right, press on Buy. Type in the amount of Morpho that you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $15 as an example, I'll just type in 15 and then I'll press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can review the transaction so you can check out the amount of Morpho that you're buying, the price, the fee, the total price you're paying, the method you're paying, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button, and then follow the steps that way. So that is how to buy Morpho crypto on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.